law. Now the core dispute is between Article 1 and Article 2. The most reasonable reading of the Maori text, if we look at the Maori text, we see that Article 2, the rights that are granted, Article 2 supersede the rights that are granted in Article 1. It's very straightforward. We look at Article 2 and we see that the Crown is confirming Tino Rangitiratanga independence, Maori's independence. And in the first article, Maori are granting functions of government to the Queen. When we look at the English version, we see that Article 1 supersedes Article 2. So here we have Maori ceding absolute sovereignty to the British. And in Article 2, what the British are in exchange guaranteeing is undisturbed possession of the land. And the courts, until this day, have been unable to resolve the dispute. So instead, the courts have in fact moved away from the terms of the treaty. What you'll be looking at are the principles of the treaty. So here's the question for you, the million-dollar question. Why have the courts had so much difficulty? Which text should they rely on? We have a Waitangi tribunal that has confirmed that the Maori version differs from the English version. The Maori believed they were forming an alliance with the Queen. Maori believed, once again, this is the Waitangi tribunal findings, Maori and governor would be equal in power, equal in authority. What this means is that, according to the Waitangi tribunal, Maori understood that they were signing the Maori version and that they were going to maintain Tino Rangitiratanga and that they were granting Kawanatanga. The British, according to the Waitangi tribunal again, had a different understanding. The British assumed that Maori understood that they were going to preserve, maintain possession of the land on authority of the Queen. The British also assumed that all lands that were not in direct possession of Maori would belong to the Crown. Well, this is where we look to the Waitangi tribunal. The tribunal says there was no deceit involved. It's a miscommunication. Oops.